we're going to take a look at a rather special Victorinox knife, and that is the Excelsior. This is an 84mm knife when folded, and it contains 2 blades. This is a beautiful little knife. It's got plastic scales and a keyring, and the logo is printed in silver. Like I said, it only contains 2 blades. There's a big blade and a small blade. I think these knives are also known as a pocket pal at one stage. Yeah, that's a small blade. It's a very nice knife, a very handy size for your pocket or keyring, and come in very handy for opening packets of food, peeling fruit, etc. Yeah, so that's it. The Victorinox Excelsior, made in Switzerland.